This unique double-story bungalow house selling at 4.5 million is located at the prime location of TTDI, which is in Pinggir Zaaba. The house is with a land size of 5,004 square feet and the build-up is 4,332 square feet. It's come with a 6+1 bedroom, 5 bathrooms, and the renovation has been done 10 years ago. What's unique about this bungalow house is that it's like the two adjoining houses that next to each other for sales. The owner has built a small apartment that linked to the house in order for the family to have a more personal space. The small apartment is come with a living area downstairs, and upstairs is with a kitchen area, 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. The bedrooms are spacious and it's good for the guests to stay. Now let's go to the house next door. I like the downstairs layout, especially the downstairs room. It's so convenient for the elderly to stay. Besides that, they have broke the wall in between the living and dining area in order to make the house feel more spacious. The kitchen has refurbished not long ago and it looks brand new. The owner have upgraded the upstairs area and the condition is good. Every rooms are spacious for you to fit in a king-size bed and a built-in wardrobe. Want to find out more? Don't forget head to our website and check out our latest TTDI listing. See you next Thursday when I showcase my latest TTDI listing.